Everyone, welcome to the Electric Supercar channel. This week we're getting the Porsche ready for paint. So for those of you who are new to the channel, this is a 1977 Porsche 911 Targa. So we've spent the last several months electrifying this. So we've made entire battery boxes, a subframe to mount the motor, we've got power steering, power brakes, and recently we've got this driving and working at full power. We've got charging working, DC to DC, and the customer's to the point where he wanted to paint this. So he had a local contact that he wanted to get this done by, so we are stripping it and getting it ready for paint. So for the Porsche, pretty much since day one, the customer was like, hey, can we get it painted? So we had been putting them off as long as we can. Our philosophy is you should get everything bolted, welded, everything done to the car before you do anything with kind of body and paint. That way you can ensure you're not messing up your paint by, any of the install stuff. So we still have a few things to install, but the customer's like, look, I think it's time. So we said, we've got one more thing, let's get the gear selector ready. We wanted to make this gear selector match with the OEM system. His car had a manual stick transmission. We wanted to use that same physical feel, but have it mapped to electronic gears, like drive, neutral, reverse. So I designed up in CAD a plate, like a gate that would put you in first, neutral, or reverse. It could be bolted on top of the manual gear shift. And with some sensors, we could determine which gear you're in. So here's that design, and we're gonna go cut it out. Okay, I think we are good to go. There it is. All right, let's take off the 3D print. Okay. All right, we are getting ready to install the Porsche shifter. Russ has been doing some of the wiring and is gonna continue with the wiring, get it all in the Porsche. We'll test it out and show you how it goes. So these guys have got it all wired up and we are going to attempt to shift gears here. So eventually this guy will be going right there. I don't know if I can do this with two hands. It doesn't need to be down, but just shift it at first.
Drive.
Okay. We are in drive. Okay, so now we're gonna go foot on the brake and go into reverse.
I almost died.
All right, so we should probably mount it just so it can look cool, but that's good. All right, go ahead and show them neutral.
This is neutral.
Okay, go for drive. Okay, foot off the brake. There we go. Okay, and then go for back to reverse. There we go. With the gear selector working, we did have to do a couple more drives. This one also involved the customer, so the customer got to drive the car around the parking lot. For today's sponsor, we have Redtiger. This is the F77. This is the Redtiger F77 dual 4K dash cam, built to protect every moment on the road. All right, so we got the power cable, rear cable, got some clips, sticky stuff. We are ready to go. It comes with built-in 128 gigabytes of storage. You can also control the camera with voice commands, making it easy to save videos or turn on Wi-Fi without taking your hands off the wheel. All right, so here's the display. You've got both back and front cameras. And again, this is a touchscreen display, which I always like the best. But basically you can look at any of the videos you've taken. So again, that's a video we've already got. So and here's all the settings. Again, you got voice control. You can do mirror flip, G sensor, low is good. So you got parking mode, change your time, language, speed units. Again, all the settings you could want. It records both the front and rear of your car in true 4K resolution. The camera uses advanced Sony Starvis 2 sensors, giving you stronger night vision and better clarity, capturing sharp details day or night so you can clearly see license plates and important events on the road. With 5.8 gigahertz Wi-Fi and a mobile app, you can quickly download footage to your phone and share it whenever you need it. And with 24-hour parking monitoring, your car stays protected even when you're not around. The built-in G sensor automatically locks important footage during an accident, so your evidence is safely stored and won't be overwritten. If you want clearer recordings, smarter features, and reliable protection for your vehicle, this is the Redtiger F77 dashcam. The link is in the description if you want a reliable dashcam for your car. And at this point he said, let's get it to paint. So for us, this means taking everything down. All the suspension work we did, all the motor mounts, all the wiring, power steering, battery boxes, essentially everything. Cooling, all these things that we've been working on forever, it's all coming off. There's been a bunch of people throughout the build that have said, hey, like, are you gonna keep the wiring like that? Or are you gonna leave it like this? The answer was always no. This was always gonna get stripped down completely for paint. So while this is off at paint, we're gonna be able to do things like complete the wiring harness, paint some of the things like battery boxes, or coat things like the subframe, and all that can be done while it's at paint. So here is us doing all that work, essentially undoing what took us months to do in just a matter of minutes. All right, we are making progress on disassembly. So radiators and cooling are out here, getting ready to get the battery box out. Wheels are off, suspension still needs to go. Up front, you'll see a lot less wires. Wiring harness is gone. Again, getting ready for the front battery box to go. It's making progress. All right, John has taken out some of the last parts here, the motor and rear suspension. If only it'll get assembled as fast as it can get disassembled. That'd be awesome. All right, so the Porsche is just about there. We're gonna be putting it on the rotisserie. Still gotta take out like the steering column, and I think there's also the front sway bar. But this thing is going out today. Actually going out before noon. So we'll get to it and get it all stripped down. I'm trying to remember, do you know which one's front and back? Is it this one? I wanna say this one's back. Yeah, there's longer. They're pretty dang close. This one's like a little wider, this a little narrower. All right, we got the back part of the rotisserie on. We're gonna now move to the front. So I was hoping that we could do this with the fenders on, but like this might be in the way, so we'll have to see. So close, but not quite. So these ones hit here, but you see it needs to go up just a little bit more. So we're gonna have to take off these fenders. accident free.
Very nice.
All right, John put the rear deck lid on. It's gonna go ahead and put the front on as well, the hood. Yeah.
Chinese finger trapped in there. Here you go. Thanks, Jeremy.
Boom.
Boom.
All right, this is all ready to go. Got obviously lots of other parts that need to go with it, but it is on the rotisserie. We'll lower the lift and jack things up. But yeah, next time we'll see it, it'll be nice and clean and all painted. We'll reinstall everything.
The body guys are gonna do that and be like, oh, we know what kind of thing. Okay, so get down. Ready? Yep.
Delivery driver's here, so we're gonna take this out.
This is kind of a proud day for us.
So he's gonna just use a little winch guy and get it on, right? We don't have to push it on?
Yeah, let's pull it up.
Yeah, this is the part I'm worried about because I think that rope's gonna get tight and this whole back end's gonna lift up. Just, I was gonna say, watch it, this whole thing's gonna. Guys, no worry, I got it, ready? There.
Now you're good.
All stripped and off to paint. All right, next time we'll see it, it'll be all painted and beautiful. All right, this is a little bit of a short one, but we wanted to get everything done and ready for paint. And this is gonna be gone for several months. So if you don't see it, that's what it's at. Next time we will see it, it'll look gorgeous and we'll get reassembled and then it'll be just about done. So thanks for tuning in. See you next time. Go to new reverse.
I almost died.
Guys, no worry, I got it, ready? There.
Now you're good.